The UAE steel market is poised for significant growth, with a projected CAGR of 3.18% from 2025 to 2033, reaching a market size of USD 6,231.75 million by 2033. This growth is fueled by a multitude of factors, including the integration of AI in production processes, sustainable practices, and the surge in demand from urbanization and mega projects. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of the market's current landscape and future prospects. AI's impact on the UAE steel market. AI is revolutionizing the UAE steel industry, enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and quality control. Here are some key examples. Production efficiency. AI algorithms optimize furnace operations at Emirates Steel, reducing energy consumption by 25% and boosting output. This aligns with the UAE's Vision 2031, aiming to increase the country's steel production to USD $2.5 billion. Predictive maintenance. Machine learning predicts equipment failures in rolling mills, cutting downtime by 30% and ensuring timely supply for Dubai's construction boom. Quality control. Computer vision inspects steel rebars in real time, improving defect detection by 20% and meeting global standards for GCC exports. Supply chain optimization. AI forecasts raw material needs, reducing logistics costs by 15% and supporting infrastructure demands for Expo 2030. Sustainable process modeling. AI designs low-carbon steel production methods, reducing emissions by 18% and aligning with the UAE's green agenda for eco-friendly growth. Market trends and drivers. Digital platforms. AI-driven tools streamline production, accounting for 35% of market growth. Dubai and Abu Dhabi lead the way, with Vision 2031 integrating smart manufacturing, boosting efficiency by 25% for 70% of steel producers. Sustainable production. The UAE's green agenda promotes low-carbon steel for construction, with companies like Emirates Steel reducing emissions by 15%. This appeals to 60% of developers prioritizing ESG compliance. Urbanization and mega projects. The UAE's market is backed by 15 million annual visitors, with Dubai's GCC Wealth and Expo 2030 driving steel consumption for 4,000 construction projects. High-demand segments, like rebars and structural steel, leverage unified trade policies, solidifying the UAE's leadership in regional steel production. Market segmentation. The report segments the market into type, flat steel, long steel, product, structural steel, pro-stressing steel, bright steel, welding wire and rod, iron steel wire, ropes, braids. Application, building and construction, electrical appliances, metal products, automotive, transportation, mechanical equipment, domestic appliances. Region, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, others. Competitive landscape. The competitive landscape is characterized by key players like Emirates Steel, Al Ghurair Iron Steel, and others. Recent developments include AI-driven recycling. Emirates Steel launched an AI-driven recycling program in Abu Dhabi, processing 500,000 tons of scrap annually for sustainable rebars. AI-optimized production. Al Ghurair Iron Steel secured a $200 million contract to supply AI-optimized steel beams for Expo 2030 pavilions. Smart steel plant. The UAE Ministry of Industry invested $40 million in a smart steel plant in Sharjah, integrating AI for quality control. Steel Innovation Hub. Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone introduced a steel innovation hub, using AI to streamline logistics and increase GCC exports by 20%. For more detailed insights and customization options, contact iMark Group.